A classroom during break time. Students have left their bags and wallets unattended. Students Ken sees his friends Arvin steal money from another student's bag. Ken is faced with a moral dilemma. Should he stay quiet to protect his friends or report the theft to maintain justice? Scene opens in a classroom. Some students are outside. Arvin and Ken are inside near the back of the room.
Hey, everyone's on your feet. Let's go before the line gets long.
Wait, ako na second.
Arvin walks towards a desk, opens a classmate's bag, and quickly pulls out a wallet. He takes out some cash.
Arvin, what are you doing?
Relax. It's just a little money. Probably lunch money. Just won't even know it's gone.
That's stealing, man. You just took someone's money.
Come on, Ken. Don't make it a big deal. I did it today. Just don't see anything, alright? We're friends, right?
Arvin, being friends doesn't mean I number you for something wrong. That money isn't yours. There are rules for a reason. What if someone did that to you?
So what? You are gonna tell a teacher?
I don't want to, but I have to. We can't just let people steal from each other. It's not just about you. It's about everyone feeling safe and being treated fairly here.
Unbelievable!
Post-performance explanation. Number 1. The stage portrayed stage 4. Law and order. Ken chooses to follow rules and uphold justice, even though it affects his relationship with a friend. His decision is based on what's best for society and the school environment, not personal feelings.
Character stage. Motivation. Arvin stage 2 self-interest. He steals money because he wants or needs it and thinks it won't be noticed. Ken stage 4 law and order. He reports the theft to maintain fairness and social order even though it's hard. 3. Moral reasoning comparison. Stage reasoning view of rules. Stage 2 Arvin. If it benefits me and no one knows, it's okay. Results are flexible. Stage 4 Ken. Rules must be followed to keep things fair and safe for everyone. Rules are necessary and must be respected.